Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Students, today we are going to start our new lesson, the probability, lesson number 5. See very well, this is the one of the easiest lessons. Now here we will understand first was the probability. Now we heard very nicely, if in the sky something is there making the sound, loudly sound there, air is flowing, and it is the month of the beginning of the June, then the oldest person or our elders are saying there it's maybe rain, it's maybe rain there. Or suppose you have a coin and you toss it upside, you toss it and it will be down, you will face two turns. There may be one head, there may be one tail. Two turns will be there. There may be one head and other one will be there tail. Now see very well, if you are going to do some work, suppose you are going to attend your exam, test paper is there and you have practice or not there, it is not matter. Now see very well, and but you are going to attend the exams. See very well, there will be two things are there. After exam you will attend the fully paper. I think you will, according to your hard working, you may get success, you may be pass, or otherwise you may get fail, means you may be fail there. Suppose here also we have the two turns there. In any things, any work, in every moments we have the possibilities are there. There are more possibility. It may be yes, it may be no. If suppose you have called your friend and talk to come to you, it may be comes or he may not be comes. It may be here two turns are there. So there are two possibilities are there. These two possibility and these two turns are there. It is called the probability. What you are going in your life? It may be there, it may not be there. These are the possibilities, these are called the probability. Now I think you got the probability. Now come on to the exercise 5.1. In the 5.1, question number 1 is there, how many possibilities are there? How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Here we are given 4 questions. Number 1, the question number 1 we have, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. Vanita is their girl. She knows sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. She is going to visit in summer vacation in these places. See, the places are there: Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadobba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anandavan. See very well here how many places are there. See, you count there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points are there. It may be in 8 points she may visit anyone. She may visit Ajanta, she may visit the Mahabaleshwar, she may visit Amboli, Raigad, Matheran. Means 8 places we are given. There are 8 chances or turns. There are 8 chances. How many chances are there? 8 chances or possibilities are there. In different places you can visit there. So here we have to write the possibilities in question number 1 to 1. There are 8 possibilities are there. How many possibilities? Let's see, once count all the places once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking at there are, the answer is there are 8 possibilities. And this example. Now in second one, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. You know very well how many days are in a week. How many days are in a week? You know very well there are 7 days, and here ask any day. It may be Sunday, it may be Monday, it may be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. Then we have to write how many possibilities are there. So I think there are 7 possibilities will be there because of 7 days are there. So we'll write here, or you can write there are 7 possibility. Possibility. 7 possibilities in this example or question. Now see the third one. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. You have seen the cards. 52 cards are those are playing the card games there. There are 52 cards. Select one card from these all 52 cards. You can take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or last 52 or 51, 50. Any other card you have to select randomly one by one. Therefore, see very well how many cards are there. There are 52 cards. It means there will be 52 possibilities. So we'll write there are 52 possibilities. In this example, the last question of this exercise, fourth one. One number from 10 to 20. One number from 10 to 20. 10, you will get the 11, 12, like this number you will get there up to 20. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. There are cards. And the person have written the numbers from starting the 10 up to the 20. Select one card randomly. We have to select one card randomly. See very well, if we are writing the cards number from 10 to 20, we'll writing here, see very well, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and the last 20. These are the cards number. We have written the numbers from 10 to 20 on the cards. See very well, there are how many numbers will be there. See very well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cards is used to write these all number 10 to 20. So how many possibilities here? See 11 possibilities will be there. As answer will write there are 11 possibility in this example. I think you got everyone. Once again I have told you related this topic probability. There will be some chances which may be occur, okay, it may be happen in your life. Suppose you want to go to Mumbai. Once again I am clearing the possibility topic. If you want to go to Mumbai in future, means by tomorrow you are going to Mumbai, visit somewhere place or to have your for necessary work to do there. Suppose you are going, okay, it may be you go or it may be you not go. Okay, it will be go or not. There will be two possibility. There will be two possibilities, so it is called the probability. Chances, there are chances. The chances is called the probability. Here also I have given the all 4 questions. Okay, let's see very well. In the first question we are given there are how many places? 8 places were there. She has to visit, the Vanita has to visit, the places. 8 places are there, therefore 8 possibility will be there. So we have written there are 8 possibility in this example. In second one what we have given, the days days of week. Days of week, in a week we have the 7 days, so we have written 7 possibilities here. Okay, in the third one we have the cards given example. The cards we have to select randomly one by one. There are how many cards, you know very well, those are playing the cards, you have seen somewhere else. Okay, here there are 52 cards, so the probability will be, possibility will be there 52. In the fourth one we are given 10 to 20 number, started by 10 to 20. This number we have to write on a card for playing a game or other things there. So we have written here all the numbers from 10 to 20. There are 11 numbers. How many numbers are there? 11 numbers. So that there will be 11 possibilities in this example. I think you got everyone this question. Thank you. We'll see next lecture in next time. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.